Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. In today's special episode we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a couple of BMX finger bikes and a bunch of finger skateboards. I was curious to see what the buzz about these trending finger bikes and boards were all about. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let me begin by saying wow. I'm already thrilled about the fact that I'm going to be reviewing mini diecast finger bikes and boards. I've always been a huge fan of the xgames and the death-defying stunts these talented individuals perform on dirt bikes, BMX bikes and skateboards. So when I came across these miniature beauties online, all I wanted to do was get them. But I had no idea what these were all about, so I picked up a couple of Finger BMX bikes and a bunch of fingerboards. And on further research, I was surprised to know that there are Finger BMX bike and fingerboard stunt championships which you should check out. And now I'm all the more excited and thrilled as I got these so I can try and learn something new. And so with that being said, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. Well, these mini diecast finger bikes and skateboards got delivered in a plastic packaging, so there's nothing much to say about that. So let's go ahead and get these opened and set these little unique beauties free. And as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. And as always, before we get started, let's take a closer look at these amazing BMX finger bikes and these finger skateboards. Well, at first glance these mini BMX finger bikes look quite unique, premium and have a decent build quality to them, and these also have quite a bit of detailing to them and seem to be functional considering their size. These models are manufactured mostly of die-cast and a few bits and bobs with ABS plastic and rubber, which makes them premium looking. These BMX models measure in at 3.5 inches in length, 2.5 inches in height, 1 inch in width and weigh in at about 70 grams per model. These models also come with spot-on paint tabs according to their color scheme and branding details and have free rolling wheels which makes them functional. And what blows me away are the details on these little die-cast bikes. And moving on to the skateboards. Well, these miniature finger skateboards come in a pack of 10 with random underboard graphics. Well, guess I'm gonna customize a few and build a miniature skateboard rack for these in the future. So stay tuned and let's see how that goes. Well, these mini fingerboards measure in at 2 inches in length, half an inch in width and weigh in at about 20 grams per board. These fingerboards are made up of sturdy ABS plastic with non-slip finger pads, appealing graphics and free rolling wheels which make them functional, and I'm going to be giving away a set of these amazing mini fingerboards. So stay tuned till the end of the video for more on this. And if you're looking for further features and specifications regarding these skateboards and BMX bikes, I've dropped it in the description below, so go and check it out. So as you can see, and just so you know, these are the mini BMX finger bikes and the fingerboards that I picked up. And so with that being said, let's quickly run through these and check out their functionality. Well, I should admit that these are not licensed replicas of any particular BMX or skateboard brands, but I love the xgames, so I got these to add them to my diecast collection, especially as I like their unique shapes and colors, and moreover as I got some plans to use them in an upcoming project. So let's stay tuned and see how these miniature xgame props are put to use. Well, now let's take a look if these diecast Finger BMX bike match up with 1/18 scale licensed diecast motorcycles. And let's see if they compare in scale and size. So here we go. Well, by the looks of it, I guess that these diecast BMX finger bikes almost match up in scale and size with these licensed 1/18 scale motocross motorcycles. So guess I can add these BMX finger bikes to my 1/18 scale diecast collection. So to sum it up, we get quite premium sturdy mini finger bikes and boards for a good price, which is a bang for the buck. And this makes me happy and brings a smile to my face that I made a choice to get all these little beauties for a steal. And with these models you're guaranteed premium collectibles which are built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's place these little beauties on the Dnation dyno and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast Finger BMX bikes in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations, and so with that being said, let's place these diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these bad boys in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. The term diecast toy here refers to any toy or collectible model produced by using the diecasting method of putting molten lead or zinc alloy in a mold to produce a particular shape. Such toys are made of metal with plastic, rubber, glass or other machined metal parts. Wholly plastic toys are made by a similarly process of injection molding, but the two methods are distinct because of the properties of the materials used. The metal used in die casting is either a lead alloy or more commonly known as zamac, an alloy of zinc with small quantities of aluminium and copper. Lead or iron are impurities that must be carefully avoided in zamac, as they give rise to deterioration of the metal, most commonly called zinc pest. The most common die-cast vehicles are scale models of automobiles, aircrafts, military vehicles, construction equipment and trains, although almost anything can be produced by this method. And for further information on die-cast, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these mini collectibles that are featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these were your favorite, and if you have a clue as to how I'm going to be using these mini BMX bikes and boards in an upcoming project. So all you've got to do for today's giveaway is to subscribe to Dnation, comment below as to what you best like about today's video, like and share this video, and the winner of this giveaway will be announced in 2 weeks. And this brings us to the end of this amazing and unique unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on today's episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.